Hello and welcome to this video on the web client in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2017, brought to you by KPMG. I'm Caroline Faulkner, and in this session I'll take you through some of the great reasons for using the web client for NAV and some neat features that Microsoft have included in the latest version. For those of you who have seen the web client in previous versions, you'll see that Microsoft have made a fair number of changes to bring it up to speed so that NAV users can feel comfortable transitioning from the Windows client for use on a daily basis. They've really gone for simplicity to improve productivity whilst increasing performance for the users. Let's go to the web client, which will work in Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, and Mozilla Firefox. With a zero footprint deployment, it brings the costs of implementations down, and being web-based, it means that users can have easy access to NAV anywhere, anytime. We can see that the home screen has the features of the Role Center, including the activity queues, charts, and lists. As we resize the page, we can see that these items dynamically shift to allow for changes in resolution and page size. We can see that the work area can be increased by hiding the ribbon and the navigation pane. As we navigate through to other pages, we can also return home easily by selecting that home icon. We can see in the navigation pane the inline tooltips helping us as we try to find the relevant area to select. And we can also see the tooltips for the actions in the ribbons as well as we hover over them. Now the activity queues have had an upgrade as well, and they're now scalable to allow for changes in resolution of the screen. And also the colour indicators have varying heights, so that those who are colourblind will be able to better distinguish their KPIs more easily. If we have a look at lists now, we can see that a number of the elements from the web client have come across. We have freeze panes to allow for maintaining reference information as we scroll horizontally. We can show or hide columns on the lists, which, like in the Windows client, is linked to your user personalization. So you can see when we select those additional fields, they show immediately on that list. We can scroll up and down with a smooth, continuous experience. If you saw the initial web client, you'd appreciate this feature. It wasn't always that way. The data also loads as you scroll so that the user experience isn't slow. And you can see that the checkboxes are only displayed when you select more rows, allowing more space for important data. And a select all function is possible now. We also see Microsoft making changes to the web client that haven't come to the Windows client. These are elements such as the list view. There are now two sizes of brick views, as well as the list, which we can select from these three icons up the top here. If we have a look at a card, we can see that some fast tabs are opened, some can have more fields shown by selecting the Show More option, and others are collapsed with just the promoted field values showing. If we expand a fast tab, close the page and reopen it, the choice is remembered to have that fast tab expanded. You can also now close the page by clicking the cross, or as keyboard users will be happy about, pressing Escape. If we look up on a field, the options are shown in line with the field, and as we type, all the fields are searched rather than just the code field, and that is definitely something to cheer about. We also now have access to the My Settings area, which we can use to define the company, the role center, and things like the work date. So as you can see, with this new fast and fluid interface, users can really benefit from the improved performance when navigating through pages and the significantly shorter startup time when launching the client. Thanks very much for your time today to show you these web client features in NAV 2017. If you'd like more information on how NAV 2017 can work for you, please contact us on 1300 191 000 or email dynamics@kpmg.com.au.